This Aobosi Slow Masticating Juicer stands out as a top choice for anyone looking to enhance their juicing experience. This review will delve into the various aspects of this juicer, exploring its functionality, design, performance, and overall value. The Aobosi Slow Masticating Juicer is designed for versatility. It can efficiently extract juice from a wide range of fruits and vegetables, making it an excellent addition to any kitchen. Whether you're juicing apples, carrots, spinach, or kale, this juicer ensures that the juice retains its pure color, natural taste, and rich nutritional content. The result is a cup of juice with minimal pulp and foam, allowing you to enjoy a clean, refreshing beverage that is packed with vitamins and nutrients. This feature is particularly beneficial for those focused on weight loss, as well as for children and the elderly who require nutrient-rich diets. The juicer's ability to maintain the integrity of the juice makes it an essential tool for anyone aiming to improve their health through better nutrition. One of the standout features of the Aobosi Slow Masticating Juicer is its ability to produce a high juice yield while preserving the nutritional value of the ingredients. The juicer's auger spins at a slow speed of 80 RPM, which minimizes heat buildup and oxidation. This slow masticating process extracts up to 20% more juice and 30% more vitamins and minerals compared to traditional juicers. The low speed also ensures that the juice retains its natural flavor and nutritional benefits. This is crucial for maintaining a healthy diet. As the juice produced is rich in essential vitamins and minerals, the included juice cup baffle helps to further separate the juice from the pulp, ensuring that you get the highest quality juice possible. Safety and quiet operation are key features of the Aobosi Slow Masticating Juicer. The juicer is equipped with intelligent protection chips, which cause it to stop automatically after every 20 minutes of operation. This feature helps to prevent overheating and prolongs the lifespan of the juicer. The 150 watts motor operates at less than 60 decibels, making it one of the quieter juicers on the market. This is particularly beneficial for those who like to juice early in the morning or late at night without disturbing others. Additionally, the small mouth design ensures that ingredients are stoned and peeled before juicing, which helps to prevent injuries and ensures healthier juice. Cleaning is often a daunting task when it comes to juicers, but the Aobosi Slow Masticating Juicer makes it easy. The juicer features a safety lock design that allows for easy assembly and disassembly in minutes. It also has a reverse function to help prevent clogging and make cleaning easier. All detachable parts are made from high-quality food-grade antioxidant materials, which are dishwasher safe. The juicer also comes with a cleaning brush to help remove remaining pulp or residue. This ease of cleaning ensures that you can quickly and efficiently maintain your juicer, allowing you to enjoy fresh juice without the hassle of extensive cleanup. Aobosi stands behind their product with a commitment to customer satisfaction. For Amazon customers, the Aobosi Slow Masticating Juicer comes with lifelong technical support and 24-hour premium service. This means that if you encounter any issues with your juicer, you can expect prompt and helpful assistance to resolve your problems. This level of customer support is a testament to the company's confidence in their product and their dedication to ensuring that customers have a positive experience. Knowing that you have access to reliable support can provide peace of mind and enhance your overall satisfaction with the juicer. The Aobosi Slow Masticating Juicer is available in a sleek, matte black finish, which adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Its compact design ensures that it doesn't take up too much counter space, making it ideal for smaller kitchens. Despite its compact size, the juicer boasts a robust build quality that ensures durability and long-term use. The materials used in the construction of the juicer are BPA-free and of high quality, ensuring that the juice you produce is safe and healthy. The juicer's design also includes a no-drip spout, which prevents juice leakage and reduces oxidation, helping to lock in freshness and nutrients. In terms of performance, the Aobosi Slow Masticating Juicer delivers impressive results. The slow masticating process ensures that the juice is extracted efficiently, leaving behind dry pulp and producing a high yield of juice. The reverse function helps to prevent clogging and ensures smooth operation, even when juicing tougher vegetables like kale and celery. The quiet operation of the motor means that you can use the juicer at any time of day without disturbing others, and the intelligent protection chips ensure that the juicer operates safely and efficiently. The combination of these features makes the Aobosi Slow Masticating Juicer a reliable and effective tool for anyone looking to improve their diet with fresh, nutrient-rich juice. Conclusion: the Aobosi Slow Masticating Juicer is a versatile, efficient, and reliable juicer that offers a range of features designed to enhance your juicing experience. Its high juice yield, nutrient retention, and quiet operation make it a standout choice for anyone looking to enjoy fresh, healthy juice at home. The easy cleaning and assembly, along with the premium customer service, further add to its appeal. Whether you are new to juicing or a seasoned enthusiast, the Aobosi Slow Masticating Juicer is a worthy investment that can help you maintain a healthy lifestyle and enjoy the benefits of fresh, nutrient-rich juice. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.